Finding business contacts manually on Google can take hours of searching, copying, and organizing information. Business Contact Extractor turns visible Google search results into one clean, organized contact list in just a few clicks. Start by choosing one of the ready-made search templates for WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or business emails. After purchasing the extension, you will also receive an additional list of targeted search queries to help you discover more relevant businesses. Simply edit the business category and location to match your target market. For this example, we are searching for boutiques in Dubai. Once the results appear, open the extension and select Collect this page. The extension scans the visible Google results and collects publicly available business names, WhatsApp and phone numbers, email addresses, websites, and original source links. Need more contacts? Click on Collect and open next page and collect again. Every new contact is added to the same contact list, while repeated contacts are automatically detected and merged to keep your list clean and organized. From the dashboard, you can review your contacts, search through the list, and apply filters to find exactly what you need. When your contact list is ready, you can export everything to CSV or JSON and use it for your outreach or CRM system. However, if you want to find more business emails and contact details, it is better to scan the collected websites before exporting your list. Watch the next video to learn how to use the website scanner to find additional information and build more complete business contacts.